12 goddamn years, Beth. 7th Spectral Regiment needs its commander.
I left that life. The only thing for me to do was raise Emily in peace.
How does it make you feel?
Not my violin, please!
She's just a leaver's daughter. She'll be our gift to Victor.
Please do whatever you want to me, but don't involve my mum.
If anyone lays another finger on my daughter, I'll make them pay.
When Victor arrives, you are a dead woman.
Nobody messes with my crew.
I came here for my daughter. You turned it into war, and guess what? I don't lose wars.